Good morning everyone. So today I am here to discuss chapter 5 exercise 5.3. I am continuing with question number 11. You are given the sum of n terms as 4n minus n square. You have to find the sum of first term. So in place of n I am putting 1. 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now if sum of one term is 3, that is the first term is 3. Then you have to find the sum of two terms. For two terms, in place of n, I am putting 2. That is 8 minus 4, 4. So the sum of two terms is 2. Now the second term is from the sum of two terms, I am subtracting the first term. That is from 4, I am subtracting 3. So 1 is your second term. So I can easily find my d, that is from second term, I will subtract the first term. That is from 1 I am subtracting 3. I will get minus 2. Now I can easily find the third term by putting in the formula a plus n minus 1 d. Here a is 3, n is 3 minus 1, d is minus 2. So 3 plus 2 into minus 2. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1 is your third term. Then you have to find the 10th term, that is a plus n minus 1d. In place of a, I am putting 3 plus 10 minus 1. And in place of d, I am putting minus 2. So 3, 10 minus 9, 1 is 9, 9 2s are minus 18. So this is minus 15. Then we have to find the nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 d. Here a is 3 plus n minus 1. d is minus 2. So this is 3 minus 2 into n minus 2n plus 2. So you have to find the nth term. That is 3 plus 2. 5 minus 2n is your nth term. So this is your answer. Now I am further moving to question number 13. In question number 13, you have to find the sum of consecutive 15 multiples of 8. Now the consecutive 15 multiples of 8. First one is 8, then 16, 24 and so on. It continues till 15 terms. So first of all, I can either apply the formula, that is sum is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, or I can also apply the formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2, a plus n. So here I am doing with the second method, that is n by 2, a plus n. So here first of all, a is 8, d is 16 minus 8, that is 8. So first of all I will find my last term, that is the 15th term. I will apply the formula a plus n minus 1d. This is 8 plus 15 minus 1, d is 8. This is 8 plus 14 into 8, that is 112. So your 15th term is 120. Now I have to find the sum of 15 terms. So I will apply the formula n by 2 a plus n. n is 15 by 2, a is 8, l is 120. So 15 by 2 into 128, 15 into 2 is exact and 2 4s are. So 15 into 64 is 960. So sum of 15 terms is 960. So this is your answer. Now I am moving to question number 15. A contract on a construction job specifies for penalty for a delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. So for the first day, penalty is 200. Then the penalty is increasing by 50 rupees. That is 250, 300 and so on. And you have to find penalty for 30 days. Now for the first day, penalty is 200. Then it comes 250. Then it is increasing by 50 for per day. And you have to find for 30 days. So your here A is 200, D is 250 minus 200, that is 50. and you have to find for 30 days. So we have to find the sum of 30 terms by the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Here n is 30 by 2. 2 into a is 200 plus n is 30 minus 1, d is 50. So this is 15. 2 into 200 is 400 plus 29 into 50. This is 15. 400. 29 into 50 is 1450. So 15. 400 plus 1450 is 1850. So when I multiply 15 with 1850, I will get 27750. So the penalty for 30 days will be 27750. That is 27,750. So this is your answer. Now let's move further to the next question, number 17. And question number 17, they have given you that in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce the air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be same as the class. That is, for class 1, 1 tree will be planted. For the class 2, 2 trees will be planted. For the class 3, 3 trees will be planted, and it will continue till class 12. So you have to find the trees planted for these class as you are having 3 sections. So first of all, I will find the trees planted for 1 section. Now, the trees planted for 1 section is equals to the sum of 12 terms. That is, I will apply the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So, here n is 12 by 2. 2 into a is 1, n is 12 and d is 2 minus 1. 1 is there. So, this is 12 by 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2. 12 minus 1, 11. So, 6 into 13. 78 is your not answer. This is you have to find the trees planted for 1 section. Now you have to find the trees planted for 3 sections. Now, for trees planted for 3 sections, you will multiply 78 with 3. So 234. So this is your answer. This is the tree planted for 3 sections. Now, in question number 19, 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row. Now you are having 200 logs. In the first, that is the bottom row, you are having 20 logs, then 19, and then 18, and so on. So you have to find the number of logs and the number of log on the top row. So first of all, here A is 20 and D is 19 minus 20, that is minus 1. And you are given the total number of logs as 200. That is your sum is 200. So first of all, as we know, sum is 200. So I will apply the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d is equals to 200. So here n I don't know. 2 into a is 20 plus n minus 1 d is minus 1 is equals to 200. This is n. 2 into 20 is 40 minus n plus 1. This 2 will go to right hand side. 200 into 2 is 400. So 40 into, this is n. 40 plus 1, 41 minus n is equals to 400. So 41n minus n square is equals to 400. So I am taking you to right hand side. That is n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Now you are having a quadratic equation and you can easily find the answer of this quadratic equation by factorization method, that is by splitting the middle term. So n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. So from here n is common, n minus 25. So from here 16 is common, n minus 25 is equal to 0. So n minus 25 n minus 16 is equal to 0. So either n minus 25 is 0, that is n is 25, or n minus 16 is 0, that is n is 16. Now you are having two values of n. One is 25 and one is 16. And we have to find the number of logs in the top row. So I am applying both of these values. That is either n is 25. Now I am applying n is equal to 25. So I am finding the number of logs in the top row, that is a plus n minus 1d. Here a is 20, n is 25, minus 1, d is minus 1. So 20 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into minus 1. So 20 minus 24 is minus 4. The number of logs in the top row, it can't be negative. So this value is rejected. Now n is equal to 16, that is a plus n minus 1 d. Here n is 20, 16 minus 1, d is minus 1, 20 plus 15 minus 1, 20 minus 15 is 5. So your answer is number of rows, they are 16 in number, and the number of logs in the top row, they are 5 in number. So this is your answer. Now let's move to question number 20. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in a line. So what they saying to you? That the first potato is placed at a 5 meter from a competitor, then the another potato further 3 meter more. That is, the another one will be at, first one is at 5 meter, another one will be at 5 plus 3, 8 meter, then another one 8 plus 3, 11 meter, and so on. And there are total 10 potatoes, and you have to find the distance covered by the competitor in covering this 10 potatoes. What is the total distance he has to run? Now you are having the series as 5, 8, 11. Competitor is moving around it, but she is returning also. So we have to find the sum of these 10 terms, and we will multiply it with 2. Why we will multiply this 2? Because competitor is returning back also. So distance covered by the competitor is equals to 2 times of sum of 10 terms. Fine. We have to find it. This is 2. So for the sum of n terms, I will apply the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is 2. So 10 by 2, 2 into a is 5, n is 10, and d is 8 minus 5. Here a is 5 and d is 8 minus 5, that is 3. Now this 2 will cancel with this 2. You are having 10, 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 1, 9 into 3, This is 10 plus 9 into 3 is 27. So 10 plus 27 is 37. So 37 into 10, 370 meter is your answer. So by this, our exercise is finished, and thank you and have a nice day.